Have you ever been woken up by your own snoring? Or maybe your partner's elbow nudging you in the ribs? It's a common, sometimes funny, sometimes frustrating part of life. But have you ever stopped to wonder what's actually happening in our bodies when we snore? Why do we make that buzzing, rumbling sound? Well, today we're diving deep into the science of snoring. And trust me, it's more fascinating than you think. Let's start with the basics. Snoring is essentially the sound produced by vibrating tissues in your upper airway. When you're awake, the muscles in your throat, soft palate, and tongue are toned and keep your airway wide open. You breathe in, you breathe out, no problem. But when you drift off to sleep, everything relaxes, including those muscles. This is completely normal. Your body is entering a state of rest and recovery. For many people, this relaxation is just enough to be comfortable. However, for snorers, these muscles can relax a little too much. Imagine your airway as a tunnel. When the muscles around it go slack, the tunnel gets narrower. Now, as air tries to pass through this constricted space, it speeds up, just like water in a narrow part of a river. This fast-moving air causes the relaxed, floppy tissues, like your soft palate and uvula, that little punching bag at the back of your throat, to flutter and vibrate. And that vibration is what we hear as snoring. The narrower the airway, the faster the air, and the louder the snore. Several factors can contribute to this extra relaxation or narrowing. For instance, your sleeping position plays a huge role. When you sleep on your back, gravity can cause your tongue and soft palate to fall backward, obstructing the airway more easily. This is why many people find that their snoring improves when they sleep on their side. Age is another factor. As we get older, we naturally lose muscle tone throughout our bodies, including in our throats, which can make snoring more likely. Alcohol and certain medications, like sedatives or muscle relaxants, can also be culprits. They work by further relaxing the muscles in your body, including those in your throat, making the airway more prone to collapse and vibration. Even just being really tired can do it. When you're exhausted, you tend to fall into a deeper sleep more quickly, and your muscles might relax more completely than usual, leading to a night of roaring snores. Let's talk about anatomy. Some people are just naturally built to be having a large tongue, thick, soft palate, or a naturally narrow throat can predispose you to it. Think of it like this. If your airway tunnel is already a bit smaller to begin with, even a normal amount of muscle relaxation can cause a significant blockage. Nasal congestion from a cold or allergies is another common trigger. When your nose is blocked, you're forced to breathe through your mouth. This puts more pressure on the airway at the back of the throat, increasing the chances of tissue vibration. Similarly, things like a deviated septum or nasal polyps can cause chronic nasal obstruction and contribute to habitual snoring. Now, while occasional, light snoring is usually harmless, it's important to recognize when it might be a sign of something more serious. Try sleeping on your side. You can use pillows to prop yourself up and prevent yourself from rolling onto your back. Elevating your head with an extra pillow, or by raising the head of your bed, can also help by using gravity to your advantage, keeping the airway more open. Maintaining a healthy weight is also key. Excess weight, especially around the neck, can put pressure on the airway, narrowing it and increasing the likelihood of snoring. A balanced diet and regular exercise can not only help with weight management, but also improve muscle tone overall. And, as we discussed, it's wise to avoid alcohol and sedatives, especially in the hours before bedtime, as they can worsen muscle relaxation in the throat. Establishing a regular sleep schedule is also beneficial. Going to bed and waking up around the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your sleep cycles and can prevent the overtiredness that leads to deeper, snore-inducing muscle relaxation. In summary, snoring is the sound of vibrating tissues in a narrowed airway, caused by relaxed throat muscles during sleep.